Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will create a couple of Dollar Tree DIYs inspired on this autumn season, dark academia, and also cottagecore. Let's begin by creating a lamp with this dart blower that can be found on the toy section. Saudade is an exclusive word to the Portuguese language meaning missing something or someone with high nostalgia and endearment. And with this, we conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do expect a part 2 coming sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you have a very blessed week. May God bless you, and goodbye.